Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factor and Lowest Common Multiple, Exercise 1B, Question number 10, Advanced Level. Question number 10. The LCM of 9, 12, and n is 252. If n is odd, find all the possible values of n. To solve this problem, first we have to calculate factors of 9, 12, and 252. By prime factorization of 9, factors of 9 are 3 and 3. By prime factorization of 12, factors of 12 are 2, 2, and 3. By prime factorization of 252, factors of 252 are 2, 2, 3, 3, and 7. Since neither prime factors of both given number 9 and 12 contain 7, so 7 must be a prime factor of n, that's why it is present in factors of LCM of 9, 12, and n. Now we know that one of the factor of n is 7. Also 2 or 4 cannot be a prime factor of n, because we have given that n is odd, and we know that all multiples of 2 are even numbers. So now we are left with factors 3, 3, and 7. So we will make all the possible combination with these numbers with 7 because 7 must be factor of n. So our first possibility is that n equals 7. And second possibility is that n equals 21. And third possibility is that n equals 63. Therefore possible values of n are 7, 21, or 63. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.